Firstly, go to Files, Append, click the AquaFlow Pro blend file, click Node Tree and import all of them to your scene. Then add a NURBS circle and create new geometry node modifier and point to AquaFlow Curves geometry node. Play the simulation and it should be working. You can change the radius by changing emitter radius parameter. Once you reach desired look, you can enable Mesh Particles option and change the blur iteration value to your liking. For instancing object along with your simulation, click Enable Instancing box and decrease instance object rate to your liking, then select your instance object.
To add collision object, apply all transforms of your collision and just select as collision object 1. Your collision should be working now. To change the shape of the curve, first disable Geometry Node Visibility options and press Tab and go to Edit mode. Press A and X and delete all the vertices. Select Draw from left panel and draw your curve to your liking. This is the end of first tutorial. In the next tutorial I will be showing how you can use the Emit from Object and Emit from Ground setups.